in the street, right? That's why I asked my 2 kids, by the grace of God, when you go there, stay out of people's way. We can avoid them and avoid them.
What's up, y'all? It's
let them do that.
Girl.
Because I'm not a clown. I didn't come
Miracle.
here for that. I came here to learn my work and move on, right?
Technically, we're going to church.
Already, not ask God.
And then we might go somewhere.
Make them understand and listen to their mommy. You know what I'm saying? So
just come with me to church and yeah, just stay tuned for the next step of where we're going. And
right.
Yeah.
They don't respect nothing. I just keep doing this.
We're technically in the tunnel right now, so let me show you.
That when you grow, you gotta grow the right way. That's it.
We're on our way to church, and look at look at the blue sky. So beautiful.
And just leave it where it's at. That's all I want.
Yeah.
I don't want nothing else. That's all I want. Learn your education. Stay focused.
Well, guys, I'm gonna see you guys when I go there, and make sure you like. Also, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below, and also hit the notifications. So anytime we post a new video, you'll be notified.
You got your parent.
See you there.
Listen, you gonna exhale. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, what's up, YouTube family? The boy Andrae, man.
Oh, guys, we're almost there.
A lot of people ain't gonna do it, right?
5 more stops, and I guess we're there.
It's important to drink it, you know?
Yeah.
Drink.
But like I said in the previous
Yeah,
video, in the beginning of the video, we're gonna be dropping videos every time. But you gotta make sure you're notified, because if you're not notified, you won't know what video we drop.
That's all it's doing. That's to kill out your brain.
Yeah. But guys, look at the sky though. It looks so beautiful. Oh my god. I'm a I love it. It's so cute. I'm gonna come back to you guys and check up on you guys. This time when I'm there,
you'll be having a fresh brain, ready to learn. I learned that
right here.
Okay,
Bye. Hey guys, I'm here at the church, and I was saying, and the church was so fun. It wasn't even fun. It was so exciting, and I know, me personally, I love church, and I'm always worshiping up the God. If this is the church I go to, is Powerhouse St. Luke Church of God in Christ, and it was so amazing, all the Bibles and worship and all of that. It was amazing, and it was basically telling us how one of our colleagues got their house almost burnt down, and I felt it so bad. It almost made me cry. And then we had our morning prayers, and it was just amazing. So for the people that's out there that believe in God, Jesus, Allah, anything you believe in, stay in what you believe in. But if you believe in something that's not containing worship of the God or heaven, don't believe in it. Of today's moral lesson, always believe in God. Happy Sunday. Bye. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below, turn on post notifications so you always be notified of new video that drops out. Bye.
See me and see up to the time. You know it's Vibes Cartel. and you're in tune to Keep It Real with Andrae, watch, like, subscribe, and share. I'm out.